welcome back to my YouTube channel Divya's Library. So friends, today I am going to tell you an article which is Can a computer replace a teacher? Isn't it interesting? Let's begin with it.
There have been huge advances in technology in most sides of people's life, especially in the field of education. Nowadays, an increasing number of students depend on computers for research and to produce a perfect paper for school purposes. Others have decided to leave the original way of learning and get knowledge online. These changes in learning process have brought a special treat regarding the possible degrees of importance of teachers in the classrooms. While some people believe that the role of teachers has started to fail because computers have been helping some students to progress in the studies quicker than when compared with an original classroom. Let's take an example. In the same classroom, students have different mental capacities. Thus, some would be typed to slow advance in their studies because of others' incapacity of understanding. In this way, students could progress in the acquiring of knowledge at their own speed using computers instead of learning from teachers. However, the presence of a teacher is essential for students because the human contact pull them in positive ways. Firstly, students realize that they are not dealing with a machine but with a human being who deserves attention and respect. They also learn the importance of studying in group and respect other students' feelings, which help them to improve their social skills. Moreover, teachers are required in learning process because they accept some students' difficulties and help them to solve their problems by repeating the same explanation, giving extra exercises, or even suggesting private tutors. Hence, students can have a better chance of success. In conclusion, the role of teachers in the learning process is still very important and it will continue to be in so in future. Because no machine can replace the human interaction and consequences. No doubt, computers and internet have become one major source of information today. It has surely replaced the role of library to some extent, but not teaching. So friends, today's question answer we got it. Computers can't replace the teacher nor teaching.
Friends, I think you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, then please like it, share it with your friends and families, and also subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.